So few days ago I saw few AI generated movie trailers and was impressed and thought if I make this kind of trailer with nothing but free AI, won't that be nice? Here's a preview of the movie trailer I am going to make and rate it in the comment section.
One night, a group of high-tech robbers set their sights on the ultimate heist.
We've got a tip they're about to strike.
They almost had them. But some secrets are meant to stay hidden.
So let's get started. First of all, go to Gravity Ride and join for free, then click on filmmaking tools, then click on movie trailer script maker, then just set all the option to your choice and there's your script. Now once the script is generated, we would need the image prompt to generate images for the trailer. So now, just on top of the trailer script maker, there is an option for image prompts, so just do as shown. Once that is done, just open a new tab, then just search for Pica Labs. After that, just click on join beta, then accept invite in Discord. And there you go, just paste the image prompts over here one by one. After you have generated the images, just go ahead to Capcut, then just type all the conversations only and not the whole thing. Try adding different voices for different people and characters. Now to get royalty-free music, you would need to go to pixabay.com and then do as follow, and you can even get sound effects for free from this website. Start by importing the videos to Capcut, then please hold videos on the timeline, and you can add sound effects, transitions, and also background music to make it more interactive and make the audience more hooked. So thanks for watching, and please do subscribe, like, and share for more video like this, and do follow us on Instagram.